So this person, his name is Brikasura. Brikasura in Bhagavad Puran. The story is there. So he did so much tapasya, he was cutting his flesh. He was having homa. Every day he was having daily jagya. He was cutting flesh off his body, his skin, and offering it. Swaha Om Namo Shivaya, Swaha Om Namo Shivaya, Swaha. And no response. Ashutosh was silent. He was not replying. He was not fulfilling his desires, not giving him the power he wanted. Then finally he said, all right, if I'm offering pieces of my flesh, but now I'll offer my head. I'm so determined to get this power, I'm so lusty to get this enjoyment and this position, that I'm willing to give everything, even my own head. So he took his knife and he starts cutting his neck over the fire, the sacrificial fire. And Parvati, seeing this, she said, Mahadev, oh Shankar, look at your devotee. He's about to kill himself. He's about to annihilate himself. He's so determined. Please, fulfill his desire. So Lord Shiva went there and said, oh, what do you want? Brikasura, he said, I want the power that whoever I touch with my fingertip, their head will crack in half. So Lord Shiva, being very karuna and compassionate, he said, yes, all right, you take that power. So, then what did Brikasura do with the power? He said, now I have the power. I can kill anyone. So the first one I'm going to kill is you. And then I will be the Mahadev. You'll be finished with my finger. So then what did Lord Shiva do? Haribol. He started running. Hey, Haribol. And Brikasura says, wait. Let me touch your head. Like people want to touch your feet all the time if you're a sadhu. Oh, Swamiji, let me touch your feet. Let me give you some bad karma. So he wanted to touch his head and crack his head. So Lord Shiva ran, and then he said, hey Bhagavan, hey Sankarshan, hey Ram. Why did he say, hey Ram? Because Lord Shiva is a devotee of Lord Sankarshan. And Lord Sankarshan's mantra is, hey Ram. So the mantra that's chanted by Lord Shiva on his Rudraksha beads is Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari. No Krishna, but this. Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari. He's sometimes known as Shankar, but he's a devotee of Sankarshan. And Sankarshan is Chatravyuha. Chatravyuha means the expansions from Balaram. And Balaram expands from Krishna. So he's worshipping a form of Krishna.